Right, welcome to my version of the hot wings. You've seen me on First We Feast and those incredible wings, but I'm going to show you how I do a take on a Amazon-inspired wing, okay? First off, we've got these amazing chicken wings, okay? Beautiful seasoning, scallions. Then I'm going to make almost like a salsa with a mango, onions, and these little things here. These are the weary pepper, super hot. They look like little cherry tomatoes, but trust me, they are incredibly delicious. I'll make a bit of a salsa with garlic, ginger, tomatoes, and then this is a unique, very tart, it's almost like a molasses, casreep. So it's a very dark, beautiful molasses casreep, but I'm going to glaze the wings with that at the end. First off, I'm going to put the wings on, okay? So, wings, beautifully seasoned salt, pepper, okay? And then from there, a little bit of olive oil. Now, sometimes when the wings are that big, okay, in order to make sure they get cooked, just get a knife and just literally pierce them with a knife. Okay, and that makes sure that they cook inside the bone. Just go through with the knife, pierce them, and that helps cook the wing right into the bone. Really important. Onto the grill. Okay, start off with a really nice colour. Beautiful. Nice. Now, from there, let them grill. Now, first off, get these little weary peppers, okay? Take the core off and just cut them in half. Take off the little core and slice them in half. Okay, you need about 3. Now, they look like little cherry tomatoes. They are so delicious. From there, slice your garlic, nice and thin. In we go. And then a little bit of your ginger. Again, in. Give that a nice little season. And just start to sort of pound that. Get your pestle and mortar and just turn that into a really nice paste. Nice. Now, that's the base. Okay. Okay, let's check those wings. Now, good, beautiful wings. Nice thing about the chickens here, they're so fat, so you can get a really nice colour on them. Okay. And that little piercing really does help tremendously. I'm going to make a really nice salsa, and then it gives it that nice sort of zesty flavour. Slice that down. Up. Chopped onion in. Onion in. Now, from there, we'll sweeten that up a little bit and get some beautiful chopped tomatoes. Chopped tomatoes help take away some of that heat, but gives it a really nice little sweetness to it as well. Fresh lime in there, and then top that up with a little touch of olive oil. Now, think about it, the garlic, the tomato, the onion, and that beautiful weary pepper. Now we need a bit of sort of sweetness in there. Beautiful mango, literally from the tree, 50 meters from here. Now, from there, okay, chop this up. And that's going to give it a really nice sweet flavour to the salsa. Here she goes. Beautiful. In. And then finally, take a little touch of the scallions, and that's going to lift that flavour up even more. But I want the whites of the scallions, these bits here. Okay, so take them up and literally That's going to bring this salsa to life. Onions are marinated and the scallions go right at the very end. Now, this is wild thyme, okay? I'm just going to pick these little leaves and put those leaves in there. Now, get your kizari, just a tablespoon in there. See how thick that is? I'm going to glaze that over my wings now. Watch. Get that beautifully charred. And it gives that really nice dark colour to the wings. Beautiful. And then a little touch of olive oil. Just let that down with a little touch of olive oil. Seasoning. You can see it, it's almost like a molasses. It gives a really nice flavour to the chicken. It's going to darken the wings. Those little pores and those wonderful little holes I put in the chicken to help marinate it. A great way of cooking. And also, now I just want to roll them on the grill now. So that kizari gets beautifully caramelised. And look what happens now when that starts to caramelise. They take on a completely different colour. Beautiful. Now, take them off, get them into the bowl. Look at the colour of them. So tasty. Really packed full of flavour. In. Beautiful. Now, the exciting part. Take a nice spoon of your salsa in and just glaze that over there. Okay. And now, just want those wings rolled. Oh my God, the smell in there, incredible. And then to serve, a nice spoon on. Beautiful. Beautiful colour. It's a height. And then just drizzle that on top. And that kizari just literally sort of melts. And then finally, some scallions. And there we are. Beautiful hot wings, jungle style, finished with the most amazing kizari. There you go, Sean. Stick that in your pipe and smoke it. That is what you call a hot wing.
Let me know in the comments what you think of that amazing dish. And if you missed Uncharted, trust me, you can watch it on the link below or on the Nat Geo app.